Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news straight from Samsung's innovation labs. Samsung is getting ready to shake up the foldable phone market again, and this time, it's all about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7 series. Let's break down what's coming, what's changing, and what it all means for the future of foldables. Let's dive right in. Samsung is gearing up to start mass production next month for its latest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. This marks a huge step in their foldable journey and shows they're betting big on this futuristic form factor. Production will take place at Samsung's Gumi plant in North Gyeongsang province, as well as in Vietnam. So, we're looking at a solid rollout plan right from the factory floor to the hands of consumers. Now, if you remember, Samsung ran into some hiccups earlier with the Galaxy S23, which was initially expected to use the Exynos 2500 chip. But due to performance setbacks and supply issues, they had to hold off. This time, Samsung wants to make sure everything's smooth, especially for their foldable lineup. Let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This powerhouse will come with a larger, expansive display when unfolded, perfect for multitasking, gaming, and immersive media. And for the style-conscious out there, it'll be available in 4 stunning color options. In the second quarter alone, Samsung is aiming to ship around 160,000 units of the Fold 7. That's a clear sign of confidence in this new model. Now onto the Z Flip 7, which is coming in 2 versions. A standard variant, and an affordable FE, Fan Edition, variant. Samsung plans to produce around 240,000 units of the regular Z Flip 7, and about 170,000 units of the FE model. This FE version could open up foldables to a much wider audience, thanks to the lower price point. Here's where things get really interesting. Samsung is currently in the final testing phase of the Exynos 2500 chip, developed by Samsung's System LSI division and built using their cutting-edge 3nm process. If all goes well, the Exynos 2500 could power the Z Flip 7, which might mean Samsung won't need Qualcomm chips in this model at all. That would be a huge move, bringing full control of the hardware in-house. Why is Samsung pushing so hard with Exynos this time? Well, they suffered a massive 2 trillion won loss in Q1, and successfully launching the Exynos 2500 could help recover from that hit. Not only that, it'll also set the stage for their next chip, the Exynos 2600, which will be based on an even more advanced 2nm process. So, Drop Tech fans, Samsung's upcoming foldables aren't just about cool new designs, they're also part of a much bigger strategy. With production kicking off soon, new chip innovations on the horizon, and fan-friendly pricing for the Z Flip FE, this could be Samsung's biggest foldable launch yet. What do you think? Are you excited for the Fold 7 or the Flip 7 FE? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.